Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful thread turning design, excellent color combination sarees. Here we have a beautiful light brown color, very beautiful color it is, with a pink thread used for the turning design. Both gold and silver jari used for meena work in the turning. Very different, very excellent one, exclusive pattern, and the small buttas are given in arrow shape in both silver and gold jari. The border is in the top and a very beautiful turning thread border design in the bottom. And we have a light pink color contrast pallu. Pallu is also very pretty with the meena work using the silver jari work and gold jari work. Very beautiful one with plain blouse piece. The combination is very beautiful for the pastel lovers. This is an apt saree, completely handmade with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful turning design, thread border collection. Very beautiful color, a lavender color saree, elegant bluish lavender color with small buttas in silver and copper jari, arrow type, borderless concept in top, and a very beautiful thread turning border in the bottom. Silk threads used for the border here, and it is a dark peach color, and we have a gold zari work, copper and silver meena work in the thread work. Very beautifully it's been done. You can see the elegant border, very shuttle and beautiful saree, very beautifully done using pastel color shades. Completely handcrafted work. Visibly you can see the fine finished saree with a peach color pallu, contrast pallu with beautiful copper and silver jari work. Even the meena work is done in the pallu also. A very labor consuming, very beautiful saree here with plain pallu color blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. Complete saree is in pastel shade and is completely handcrafted with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a very beautiful new launch. Thread work, beautiful concept saree in double warp. Elegant combination too. Turning border. The saree is in goldish yellow color. Excellent color with very different small buttas, arrow pattern done using gold and silver alternatively all over. Very beautiful one. Top is a borderless concept, and lower part we have a beautiful thread design, thread border turning in a thread concept. Completely pink thread used here, silk thread. See, the meena work is also done using the gold and silver for the flowers. Very elegant border, beautiful one, and we have a contrast dark rani pink color, red and pink mixed color pallu. Pallu also have the meena work concept, both gold and silver jari used. Beautiful and grand pallu, and we have plain blouse piece. Excellent concept saree in thread work, beautiful one, handcrafted one too with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful collection. Thread work, turning design borders. Excellent design, a very exclusive concept. And here we have a dark chocolate brown color. Dark brown, it is black mixed with chocolate brown. And we have arrow design buttas. Copper and silver jari used for giving the buttas here. And top we have a borderless concept and a very beautiful turning thread border in the bottom. And the border have meena work done using copper and silver jari alternatively too, which is adding beauty to the saree. Very elegant one. Finely handcrafted weaving it is with a contrast peach color. Pallu also have meena work. You can see the silver jari is used inside the copper jari work with mangoes. Excellent saree with plain blouse piece in pallu. Combination is also very pretty. The silk thread used is also the pallu color, which is very matching and very beautiful too. Saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful thread work turning design border sarees. Very elegant and traditional weaving design. Here we have an excellent green, a light green shade, almost an apple green color. Mild turquoise mixed apple green with the arrow design buttas. Buttas are done in two shades of blue, dark blue as well as light blue. Alternatively, arrow design is done, a small booty design. On top we have a borderless concept and a very beautiful turning border in the bottom. Big border, you can see complete thread work. Silk threads are used here. Meena work is done in the dark blue color. Light blue is the actual border. Very beautiful one, completely hand weaved, perfect, beautiful saree. Very different concept, traditional weaving, and we have same pallu color. Pallu and body is in same color. The pallu also have the thread weaving all over beautifully. The Meena work is also incorporated in the pallu with plain blouse piece in the body color. Very elegant saree, the traditional weaving, beautiful work with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful big turning border design sarees in a very elegant color combo. Here we have a beautiful red saree with mild pink tinge. The warp is red, pure red, and the waft is a mild pink color which gives a beautiful shade, almost red, with very elegant thread worked booties, small buttas, the arrow type, completely thread work with the silk thread used for the weaving. And we have a big turning design border, completely thread work turning border it is. You can see the color choice, the contrast. Mustard color is used for the weaving and pink is used here for Meena work. Very elegant one, excellent weaving one with a pink and mustard yellow alternatively weaved for the arrow buttas here. Completely handcrafted work. You see the color, beautiful one, completely in single color. And even the pallu we have the Meena work with thread work concept. Silk thread is used. Very elegant work, completely handcrafted, traditional weaving method with a plain blouse piece in same color. Elegant collection with authentic silk. Pure Kanchipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful big border turning design sarees with thread work. A very beautiful combination here. Excellent dark brown color saree, coffee brown, very elegant one with small arrow pattern buttas all over the saree, silver and gold alternatively used for the weaving, and we have a beautiful thread turning design border in the bottom done using pink color threads, silk thread, and we have the jari work done as a Meena work in the alternatively silver and gold is used in the lower bottom. Very elegant combination, pink and brown, and the saree is in beautiful Rani pink color. Very elegant color. You can see the design. Design is also very beautiful with the Meena work in silver jari, and we have the pallu tassels already made and the blouse piece also in the Rani pink piece. Very elegant combo with authentic silk.